So what I'd like to share with you right now is that the TOR is a system that can be deployed at the state level right now as we speak. Many of the TOR or the evaluation systems that are out there, they are ready to be deployed at the district level. However, ours is already scalable to the state level. What an administrator would have to do at the state level is actually just add the name of the district. Obviously, with your edit district, you'd be able to provide that passcode information, things of that nature. Now, once you've provided the district, you would break that down into a school. So we had local district 5 of Los Angeles Unified at the top of our list, and that's the school, the district that we've selected. So within this, you list your school name as you hit add new. Obviously, the state would pre-populate. You'd provide that passcode and the local district if it is a very large district. And again, you can edit that information at any time or delete that particular school if the name changes or if anything's incorrect. Now, once you've added the school, you come down to the observer. Now, the observers are listed in such a way that if you were to hit edit, you would be able to move this observer from one school to another school. Because again, as we know, administrators can move from school to school. Now, what we want to do is, because we know at the teacher level there are many teachers within a school. It could be a small school of maybe 8 teachers. However, it could be a secondary school with over 150 teachers, which is definitely happening in California and some of our larger schools. So we want to make sure that this effort is not time consuming. What our TOR system has developed inside of it is a way to upload all of the teachers. So basically, you can provide a text document or an Excel file with the teacher's first name, the teacher's last name, the teacher's employee number. You'd hit upload, and then it will sync it to that particular school. So you have just deployed to an entire district in a very short amount of time. Now, as you know, the TOR is an offline and online program. So what needs to happen after you've created your districts, your schools, your observers, and your teachers? You need to be able to send out the offline TOR to all your administrators. So simply what you do at the district level or at the state level, you would communicate how many activation keys you would need. In other words, at that particular school, how many administrators do you have? Once you've created the activation key, what you want it to be, that passcode for them, and the number of activations you want them to have, you populate that. So at this point, we've created an activation key. If you don't type one in, the system will create one for you. You create the activations and you hit upload, and now you see that Rowan has an activation key and 3. Now what do we do next? We want to notify these administrators. We can deploy the system in a very quick fashion. What you do now is you would list or copy and paste the email addresses of all those administrators at that school, and you'd hit send. At that point in time, just like a Microsoft Office application, the application link will be sent to that particular administrator. They would click on that link and the program would automatically install, and it would sync with the TOR server. And now you have an offline and online teacher evaluation system ready to go.